Okay, so this video is going to help users that are in the Pen Testing and Understanding Vulnerabilities course within infoseclearning.com. So now in this lab over here, once you start it up, you log in, you SSH from this guy over here over to the web server, you authenticate, and you run the script, and the script essentially provisions all of the previous steps in the other labs. All right, and then you're asked to edit the PHP file that gets set up for you, right? And when setting this up or when editing this, for your pen testing assignment in here, if you make some sort of an error in there, it's gonna cause the website to not show anything. And this video here is just about how to troubleshoot that to figure out where within the file you're making an error. Okay, so over on here, so in the lab, I'm already SSH'd in. I already ran the script. The web page is already here. And if you're going to edit the file, again, you're going in with the -C option so you can see the line count down the bottom. And down here, I'm just going to make an intentional error, right? So I can just take away one of these tick marks, for example. Now, when taking this away, the error is actually going to come up down here on line 15. You can see it says line 13. That's where the cursor's on, but it's kind of going to interpret all of this as one kind of string here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this. All right, and then I will go to the web page. I'll refresh. You'll see I get the blank page. And in here, your errors are going to be going to an error file inside of Apache. So I'm just going to tail the last line of that file so we can see the error. And you can see over here, it says unexpected t-string. So it's expecting, this tick over here, and it puts it on line 15. Okay, again, because it's I think it's just reading it all as one line. We can make another error in there just to kind of confirm that. But if we go back in here and we fix the error, which is up here, we can make a different error and see what that gives us. So Control X, Y, enter, go back over here, page refresh. We're good. Let's make another error, go back in here. Let's just kill that guy there, Control X, Y, enter, page refresh, blank page, tail. All right, and here undefined function is set. Okay, inline on line 13. So on line 13, we can see that we made the syntax error. All right, so depending on which type of error it gives you, again, this will give you an indication as to what line or near what line it's actually occurring on, depending on what type of syntax error you're making. But this is where you can go to get information on that in terms of what's happening.